Hello folks, this is Mandeep Burmi from Ace Driving School. So in this video is all about you, just like all the other videos. This video we're gonna answer some of the questions, driving test questions basically. So I received an email. Somebody's having some questions about left turns. Just need a little bit more clarification on the left turns. So we will work on the left turns. So let's get going. Okay, so left turn, left signal, checking on both sides because the back end of my car is going to the left. That's why I had my left signal on. So we're gonna be turning right at stop sign. So parking lot, just like a two-way street. So I'm staying on the right hand side. Now this stop sign, it's a one-way stop sign. So I'm going to make a full stop here. And then checking on both sides, checking for pedestrians, checking for traffic as well, so that it's empty, so we are good to go. So the driving test questions, okay, so question was about left hand side traffic lights. So when to establish, when not to establish. So we're going to be turning left at this traffic light. Now you establish in the intersection when you see oncoming traffic. Okay, when you have oncoming traffic or when you have pedestrians crossing. Now today is actually weekend, so the roads are pretty much empty, but I do see a car coming. It's still a little bit far. I don't know if he's going straight or maybe he will be turning right out on this traffic light. So like, let's say if that car, I don't know if you can see that car in the camera or not because he's still quite far, and looks like now he's stopped actually. But let's say when the light turns green, if I have oncoming traffic, somebody who's going straight, then I stop in the intersection because they get the right of way, or maybe there's pedestrian crossing, right? So if something is going to interfere with your turn, then you stop. Okay, then you stop. That's the time when you establish. But if the intersection is totally empty, then you don't establish. Okay. Then you don't establish. So let's say maybe this time, right now the intersection is totally empty. So when the light turns green, if the intersection is empty like this, I don't need to establish. I can just go through the intersection because I don't have any oncoming traffic, right? So there are no cars who want to go straight. There's no pedestrian on the left hand side. So that means I'm free to go. So looks like light is going to change now. Alright, ready, go. So we got a green light. So again, there's no oncoming traffic, there's no pedestrian crossing, so that means I'm good to go. And I want to stay in my first available lane. So I'm looking at this divider or this boulevard, and I'm staying closer to that boulevard. So let's do another left turn here. So I go in my left lane. Now I'm going to signal left. Now this time the situation is a little bit different. So I got a green light. So I go in the intersection and I'm slowing down, waiting for this truck to go. Then I check again, there's no more traffic coming from that side, there's no pedestrian crossing here, so that means we are good to go now, okay? So after your turns, then you want to look for a speed limit sign. So here I see a sign, it says maximum 70 kilometers, so I can speed up a little bit more. So we will look at another left turn. So we will on the next traffic lights, we will turn left again. As I said, there's not a lot of traffic today actually, but there are a lot of other videos that I did about left turns as well. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so because I upload videos pretty much every day. So now we see another traffic light, so we're going to turn left again. So I put my left signal on, shoulder check, go in the left lane. Cancel my signal because I'm still far from the intersection. Now I put my signal back on. My light is already green, so I go in the intersection. Then I look at the traffic. I don't see any traffic coming from the front. Then I look for pedestrians. I don't see any pedestrian. That means I'm good to go. I don't need to stop in the middle because the road was totally empty. So we're going to be turning right next. So I will signal right, mirror check, shoulder check, looks clear, and then I move over to the right side. We're going to be turning right on the stop sign here. So I put my blinker back on. I'm stopping before the sidewalk here. looking for pedestrians, and then I creep up, check traffic, nobody coming, and I'm staying closer to the right side. So now I'm going to so the turn is complete. Alright, so I'm just going to park on the left in the parking lot here. So I put my left blinker on. Alright, so let's find a space to park. So we're gonna go right here. And then I put my left signal on. I'm still staying on the right side, and I'm gonna park on the left here now. Alright. Okay, my friend, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much. And again, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Post your questions in the comments below, and I will be more than happy to help you out. Thank you. Again, my name is Mandeep Burmi, and in this video we were just answering some questions related to left turns at traffic lights. So basically how to your driving test questions related to driving test questions. So thank you, and I will see you guys again.